Hi, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Cravers. I'm very blessed to be here. I'm very blessed that you keep tuning in. Thank you for all my subscribers, and thank you for all my new subscribers and my old. I couldn't do it without you guys. I very much appreciate you guys. My mom's doing a little bit better. I bought some antibiotics for her, so hopefully the UTI will be getting better. And I just want to thank you for all the prayers and everything that you guys do for me. Like I said, I couldn't do it without you guys. But the weather here has been really nice. I've really enjoyed it. Better than the cold weather. I'm not looking forward to the cold weather at all. So I don't know about you guys. If you have any comments or anything, feel free to put your comments down below. But thank you for everything you guys do. And we ended up going to Walgreens, and but I'll try to put Puss in for you guys for the next video. Like I said, Mom's not been the best, but she's been a little weak. So like I said, she had a UTI and stuff. But like I said, I'll try to put Puss in the next video. I know some people really love Puss, and I love Puss. She's one of my babies, and I love her to death. So, but we ended up going to Walgreens. I bought these. These are on sale for $1.99 a piece. There's a 50-cent coupon, and then when you check out, you get a $1 register reward, so it makes it $2.49 or $1.24 a piece. So that is a good deal if you like the games. Easy squeeze. I bought this for $4.50 and this for $4.50. There's a $3 digital and a $3 digital. So you pay $9 before coupons and stuff, and then you get a $3 digital back. So it makes it absolutely free. You can use Walgreens cash if you like. So that is a great deal if you like Colgate. And this is one of my favorites. These are $3.49 or $3.29 a piece for all three of these, each one of them. There's a $3.30 for these two, and then there's a $2.30 here. So you get $6 or $5.60 in coupons. So you end up paying only 49 cents a piece. So that is a fantastic stock-up deal if you like Febreze, sprays, and all this, plugs. So I thought that was a great deal. I ended up buying these. There was a $1.50 coupon, a $1 coupon on that. If you buy 4 of them, you get $5 in register reward back. I got the Bounce. I had $1 on the Bounce. I also had a Downy a Downy fabric softener, and it was $5.49. And then somebody wanted it, so I ended up selling it to them. And then I had a $1 digital on that. So altogether, I paid $11.96 after everything. So like $2.25 a piece. So I think that's a great deal, or $2. Like $3 a piece. So that is a good deal, guys, if you like all that. This is one of my favorite deals. I ended up buying 4 of these. It's on sale, 4 for $10. And then there's a $1 digital, so I got it for $9 or $2.25 a piece. So that is a good deal if you like the Gain fabric softener. And it's a 35 ounce, so I thought that was a good deal. And then one of my other favorites, I don't know if Abad is still having it, but I bought the bigger cans of hairspray. They're $7 a piece, so I paid $14. There's a $3 digital, so I ended up paying $11, but then I got $5 in register reward back. But then I ended up submitting it to Abada for another $5, so I paid $1 for both of these. So I thought that was a fantastic deal. So if you like tresemme, try to see it on Abada. I will put my referral code down below for Abada. So if you don't have Ibotta, you can do it with my referral code and get $5 back after your first receipt. So thank you. I appreciate it if the people that hasn't done it that can. And these Pringles are on sale, $3.49, buy one get one half price, or buy one get one free. Sorry. And then there's $1 Ibotta for buying these, so it makes it $2.49. So I thought that was a good deal for Pringles if you like Pringles. So, but that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed my haul. I will try to do a Ibotta Walmart deal with food and stuff. So because food is getting so high. So I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you subscribe. God bless you and have a blessed day. Thank you guys. Bye.